Hello to my respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I Abhinav Mishra from class 8th, and I am going to show an experiment in which I will show you that some materials that are conductor or insulator. For this experiment, I took the 9-volt battery and some wires and this bulb, and the place I left for the material that I connect in this, which makes the bulb glow, and you can watch that the bulb will glow like this. The first material I have taken for this experiment is a spoon, which is made from steel. And now I will touch both the wires to the spoon, and you will watch that the bulb glows or not. You can see that the bulb glows. So it proved that the spoon, or we can say steel, or we can say metal, are the good conductor of electricity. The second material I have taken for the experiment is comb, and when I will touch both the wires to the comb, and you can see that the bulb glows or not. Now I will touch. The bulb doesn't glow, so it is proved that the comb, or we can say plastic, is a bad conductor of electricity. The last and the suspensional thing that I have taken, that is lime water, and if I will pour both the wires in the lime water, then we will see that the bulb glows or not. The bulb glows, but it is dim. So it is proved that the lime water is a good conductor of electricity. The conclusion of this experiment is that the steel and the lime water is the good conductor of electricity, but the comb is the poor conductor of electricity. Thanks and stay safe.
Of class 8. Today I will show you my science activity. The topic of my science activity is chemical effects of electric current. For that we need a 9-volt battery, two electrical wires, two electrodes, or we can call them two carbon rods, which we can take from two discarded cells, and a cupful of water and a teaspoonful of salt, which we have to mix in that water. Here I have taken a 9-volt battery, two electrical wires, and two carbon rods, which I have taken from two discarded cells, and I have fixed them to the free ends of the other ends of the two wires, and a cupful of water in which I have mixed a teaspoon of salt. As you can see when I dip them into the water, you can see some bubbles are coming from the red red electrode. Let's see. The bubbles are coming from the red on the electrode from the red wire, and the gas is forming in the water. That's I want to show you. That's all for my activity. Thank you. So after doing this activity, we find the conclusion that when we pass electric current into water, the water gets dissociated with hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Thank you.
Jai Hind. Today I, Nimisha Gaur from class 8 is going to demonstrate the electroplating of copper on iron clips. So here I have taken a glass beaker in which I have taken a small amount of copper sulfate. In this I am going to add a little water to get solution of copper sulfate. Here I have taken a battery with two paper clips. Now we have to make sure that these clips should not touch each other. The electroplating of copper on the clip. And some bubbles are also. Now I am going to explain the mechanism of electroplating of copper on the paper clip. When we dissolve copper sulfate into the water, it gets dissociated into copper plus 2 ions and sulfate plus minus 2 ions. The sulfate will move towards the positively charged electrode called anode, and the copper will get deposited on the negatively charged electrode called cathode. Thank you.
I am Akshata Paliwal of class 8th, and today I am going to perform activity of electroplating. So here I have taken copper sulfate solution and a battery and two metal rods, and these are connected with the battery. This is the copper sulfate solution. So now we will put this into the copper sulfate solution and turn on the power button, and let's wait for some time. Here we can see the rod changing its color and the bubbles. So now it's ready. And here we can clearly see the deposition of copper on these rods. The deposition of copper on these rods. So this was the activity of electroplating. Thank you.